In this lesson, we will discuss where to find individual reports and how you can run and even schedule reports to run automatically. Once logged into the admin portal for your call center, navigate to Analysis, Reports. From here, select Historical Reports to see a list of available reports that you can run. Foundation reports are a collection of reports that are designed to cover most essential reporting needs for a call center. The additional headings will provide a list of reports categorized by the heading itself. For example, selecting Agents at the top of the page will display reports that are prioritized around agent reporting. Although each report may have different parameters to filter data by, the functionality in running reports is the same. Select any report that you wish to run and use the provided filter options for that specific report to gather your data. As seen in this agent overview report, we have a date and time frame and team and agents to filter by. However, in this full call details report, we have a date and time frame, wait time in seconds, Annie, start and end time, a DNIS table, and a list of queues, groups, teams, and agents to choose from. All reports will have the options to include non-active queues or agents in the report, as well as the ability to send the results of the report to an email address by selecting the Send To box at the bottom of the screen and entering a valid email address. Once you've completed your desired parameters, click Execute Report at the bottom of the page. Executing a report will place the returned report in the My Historical Reports tab of the admin portal, found on the same reports page as Historical Reports. Initially, you will see your report in a Not Started state. Given some time or refreshing this page will have changed the report status to Ready, where you may now visit the report by clicking the title or delete the report by selecting Delete. Any executed reports will stay in My Historical Reports for a period of 7 days. If you will be running specific reports on a regular basis, daily, weekly, or monthly, you may want to consider using the Scheduled Reports option. Choose the report that you wish to schedule, and then click OK. From the General Information tab, enter a description of the report, ensure that it is enabled, assign an owner, perhaps yourself, and enter an email address for the report to be sent. Assigning a clear subject line will help to distinguish the email, or even assist in an email rule diverting the report to a special Outlook folder. In the last dropdown, you can select the format that the report is delivered in, or even exclude the report from the email as an attachment and presenting the data in the email body. Under Scheduling options, choose the frequency of the report from the dropdown, either once, daily, weekly, or monthly. For each selection, you will be presented with options concerning items like days, dates, or duration. For example, running the report once only requires a date and time that the report should be executed, whereas weekly asks at what week intervals, on what day, at what time, and for how long. The Report Parameters tab is a copy of the parameters that are applicable to the report, as if it were run from historical reports. Clicking Update as you progress through each tab will save your input and save the report as a scheduled report. From this page, you may also choose to edit or delete any scheduled report. Now that you know how to execute and schedule reports, you should be able to compile and track data within your call center. Thank you for watching.
Orchestrating a Brighter World, NEC.